Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, AmbitionWrites. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a full face tutorial using neglected products, or giving a second chance to a couple products that I might have featured in my products I dislike video, and I thought that I hated them, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give you a second chance. I believe in you. I think you could do it. So if you want to know if I am liking the products or kind of like then keep on watching. I haven't used the color Fawn, LA Girl color Fawn, forever, and I think I now know why. It's like watery now as my eyeshadow base, so we're gonna use that. It looks super light right now. I think I remember why I stopped using it. Now I'm not gonna set with powder. Instead, I'm going to feature another product that I haven't used in a while, which is my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I used to love this all the time, and I kind of like to put that on top of my concealer just because it helps it kind of sets the concealer without using powder. The palette that I have not been using since I bought it, this might be a shock to some, it's not a shock to me, is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Look how new this looks. I barely touched this palette. I neglected it. I low-key didn't even like this palette, so let's try to use it today. I don't like this palette like that. Alright, burnt orange, and put that in the crease, I guess. I don't even know. I'm gonna take Realger and put that also below, well, in the crease. Alright, now we're going to take Cypress Amber, the brown color, and also put that in my crease. So I don't like how cool this brown is. In the palette, it looks more warm, and then on the eyes, it looks more cool. So that I'm not feeling so much, but it's whatever. Alright, now taking Antique Bronze, that little bronzy color right there, and Fix Plus. So fun fact, I've never used Fix Plus before. I usually just use water. So the product that was featured in my products I hate video some time ago was the NYX Total Control Foundation, and I hated it because I could never find my color. But now, girl, so the concealer that I'm giving a second chance to is the Makeup Revolution concealers, and I have two because I have to mix the two. I think in my video I hated color C14 because it had a gray undertone, so I was like, alright, let me pick up a C13 and mix with C15, and that's what I'm about to do. This is my Tarte still. So the only thing that I still don't like about the Makeup Revolution concealers is the smell. The smell is just such a harsh chemical like smell. The powder that I'm going to give another chance to is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I don't think y'all knew this, but I don't really like this powder, so we're going to give it another chance. It is quite messy though. Definitely gives me a brightened effect. So I kind of also was neglecting these lashes. I think they're by Eylure. They're 117 lashes. They're pretty They're pretty natural looking, but I've been neglecting them because I don't like how the ends are. Like, I don't know. They're not my favorite lashes. Remember when I talked about this Milani Contour and Highlight Cream and Liquid Duo? Well, we're going to revisit it. We're going to use it to contour, even though it's way too warm looking. We're going to use it today. And we're going to also revisit the liquid side. I don't know why, but I'm excited to try it and give it another chance. Yeah, this is not even a contour. Okay, that's still a fail. I mean, we could use that as a bronzer, like just bronze up my skin a little bit, even though I don't need to because I'm quite melanated. Let's give this liquid gold side a try. Oh no. Should I use a brush? Okay. Let's put it on my finger. It's still not my favorite. Oh crap. I applied way too much on this side. So I don't feel like getting up. We're going to use Primavera as my highlight. Now, the last product that I have been neglecting and haven't been using is the original RCMA Makeup No Color Powder. This was like the thing on YouTube, like, but I bought it hoping to use it and like it, and I didn't. Kind of dip it in and brush it off to kind of set. Ooh, this highlight is popping. Girl, let me find out. Yo, maybe I'll probably use this as a base for my highlight in the summertime. You know what? I think I might end up using this. I see you, Milani. I'm gonna use you sometime and see how it is. Now we're just going to set the face with my MAC Prep and Prime. Prep and Prime. Ooh. Fall spray. Again, never really used it, so we're gonna give this a try. Ooh. Jesus Lord. Alright guys, so this is the final look using neglected products or products I thought I hated. The lipstick that I have on is, who is this? Milani Teddy Bear. I thought I hated this because it was too, I don't know. I just didn't like the color, but I actually don't mind it. I think it's cute. And on top of it, I have my Fenty lip gloss that you know I like that. So that wasn't gonna feature in this video. The foundation, I am liking it because I've been using it every day. The Makeup Revolution concealers, yes, I have to mix the two, but I think this works out. I think it looks pretty. The Sacha Buttercup powder, well, I don't know yet. I have to wear this throughout the day to really see how it really is, but I think it brightened the center of my face, so far, so good. These lashes, I still hate them. Modern Renaissance palette, I have it. I'll use it when I feel like it. And I'll leave it at that. What was this? What did I use for this? Milani Contour. I didn't contour anything. It kind of bronzed me up, which is fine, you know, be a bronze goddess sometimes. The liquid part of that, I think I will be using that in the summer as a base and then put my powder like highlight on. I think I'm liking that. Yes. Yeah. I think I'm liking her. It just goes to show that sometimes you gotta give some people or some things a second chance. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're feeling me and my videos, and hit that subscribe. So hit that subscribe button. And if you are curious about this hair, this is the second install using the same hair. I have a video on this. I will link that down in the description bar or up here, of course. Same hair, second install. So cute. Ooh, my highlight is popping. My highlight is popping. Bye guys. I'll catch you in the next one.